I stay with you guys too?
Oh, hey, Book. Listen, I know you're trying to be better, but maybe you should try to find some new friends to be better at.
Okay.
All right, Book. See you around.
Yeah. Ice Cube, do you want to? Okay then, new friends, huh? What's happening? Oh, Pillow, was that you? You know, I would appreciate if you didn't suddenly read me like that.
Don't worry, I wasn't reading you.
Then what?
I was just looking at the pictures.
Well, anyway, I think we should find a team to join. I don't want to be picked last.
How's this one?
Oh, this is great! Bobby and I go way back. Remember all those days we spent cranking the HPHPRCC? Kinda! Nickel, you were there too, right? Remember cranking?
Yeah, it sucked.
Don't worry, Taggy. As long as everyone stays careful, we aren't gonna have a name like that.